Omega Laser Smoking Cessation program is a lot more effective than traditional acupuncture. With acupuncture, with needles, you would need anywhere from 5 to 8 visits. So that's a lot of visits and a lot of needles. And I'm not putting down acupuncture because it's helped me at times in my life, but 15% of the population do not respond to acupuncture with needles. So right away, 15% of the population it's not going to work on. With our Omega Laser Smoking Cessation program, almost everyone quits with the first treatment. Very rarely does anyone have any trouble. And then we offer the 2 backup treatments within a full year, and success rate's very high. On average, only 1 in 10 of our clients are needing a second treatment within the first year. So in my opinion, much more effective overall with the laser treatment.